If you're looking to invest in a new robot or simply want to get acquainted with the industry, you're probably wondering which industrial robot companies are the most popular. Well, there are outstanding industrial robot companies out there, but some have been leading the industry for decades. These industry giants have built a reputation for excellence and innovation. In fact, their robots can be found in countless facilities worldwide, commanding a staggering 75% of the robotics market. When it comes to choosing a reputable brand, these 10 companies have been at the forefront for years. So, without further ado, let's get to it. At the 10th spot on our list, we have a tie with Universal Robot and Omron. So, let's talk about Universal Robots first. The company is based in Denmark and has been a game changer in the world of collaborative robots. They pioneered the concept of robots that can operate without safety fencing, making them safer to work alongside humans. And well, this very innovative approach to collaborative robotics has earned them a prominent position in the industry. On the other hand, we have Omron, which is a Japanese company that made a significant impact in the cobot market. They partnered with Techman Robot to introduce a successful line of collaborative robots to their existing catalog. Omron's diverse range of industrial robots combined with their foray in cobots showcase their commitment to innovation and versatility. Up next on number 9 we have Stabuli. This Swiss company was founded way back in 1892 and has been a key player since then. And well, what really sets them apart is their successful diversification after they acquired Unimation. Their reliable and high-performing robots have earned Shibuli a prominent position in the facilities worldwide. Besides that, their annual turnover of around $1.2 billion speaks volumes about their success and impact in the market. Moving on to the 8th spot, we have the renowned Mitsubishi. Well, this company obviously needs no introduction, but let's tell you a bit about it. It's based in Tokyo and has a long and standing history dating back all the way to the 1920s. It's generally recognized for its electronic products, but over the years, the company has also made a significant impact in the robotics industry. They still have a strong hold in the industry since they have an impressive annual revenue of approximately $11.6 billion, including around $3 billion from industrial automation systems. And what makes them the experts in the market is the manufacturing of some of the high-quality robots. Coming up next is the Japanese company Kawasaki at number 7. While they are still famous for their motorcycles, engines, and aerospace equipment, Kawasaki has also made a name for themselves in robotics field. They have been producing robots locally since 1968, which was after they partnered up with Unimation. Well, they have an incredible annual revenue of $1.3 billion and a remarkable 160,000 robots installed worldwide, so their success in the industry is undeniable. On number 6 on our list, we have Epson. So you must have heard of their desktop printers, but their robotics division has also made a significant stride in the industry. Well, the company was founded in 1942 in Nagano, Japan, but it wasn't until 1984 that they started bringing their robots to North and South America. And now they have a massive annual revenue of $9.6 billion, out of which Epson's wearable and industrial products contribute around $1.32 billion to their success. Next up, we have Comau at the 5th spot. This Italian automation and robotics manufacturer is based in Turin and has been making significant contributions since its founding in 1973. In the 1980s, Comau developed the first laser robot for General Motors, showcasing their innovation and expertise. Recently, they have ventured into collaborative robotics as well, with their Aura cobot boasting the largest payload capacity in the market, an impressive 170 kgs. Even today, they're making waves in the industry with their cutting-edge solutions with an annual revenue of $1.2 billion. Coming in at number 4, we have Yasakawa. This renowned company produces the popular Motorman range of robots. which are often identifiable with their distinctive white and blue color palette. They came into being in 1915 but actually made history in 1974 with the release of their first electrically driven industrial robot in Japan. That marks a significant shift from their previously dominant hydraulic systems. Now the company generates an impressive annual revenue of approximately $1.7 billion, dollars, with substantial portion of $597 million dollars attributed to its robotics division. At the third spot on our list is KUKA, whose robots you can very easily spot with their vibrant orange color. They have been around since 1898, initially rockling the acetylene gas game. But they didn't stop there. In 1956, they jumped into industrial automation with an automatic welding system. And in 1971, they nailed it with their first welding robot. Based in Augsburg, Germany, these guys bring in a whopping $2.5 billion dollars annually, with a massive $899 million dollars coming from their awesome robots. On number 2, we have Fanuc, the one with the most eye-catching bright yellow robots. So this Japanese automation and robotics company was founded in 1972 and is based in Oshino, Japan, which by the way is right at the foot of the majestic Mount Fuji. Well, what really made them the best of the best in the business is their CNC machines and other automation equipment. And to top it all off, they have installed over 750,000 robots worldwide and generate about $4.7 billion dollars of an annual revenue. And now the best one out there. We have the Swiss company ABB at number 1. Their robots are easily recognizable with their clean white color and red logo. But what sets them apart is their specialization in robotics, automation technology, and power equipment. And for your information, back in 2002, they even made history by being the first company to sell a whopping 100,000 robots worldwide. They are indeed the industry powerhouse who generates an incredible annual revenue of $28 billion dollars. And there you have it. The top 10 industrial robot manufacturing companies that have made significant contributions to the field of robotics, revolutionizing industries and shaping the future of automation. Which company impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our new content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.